Hi, Dr. Yoshi Ram here with Oasis Family Medicine, and I would love to extend an offer for our Vitality Detox Rocks package in the office. It is a 14 detoxification. Very nice, simple. A lot of you may know we have the standard process 21-day cleanse in our office that we promote a lot for people's health. In general, people just absolutely love it. This is only a 14-day cleanse, so it's a lot easier to do. It's spring. It's the best time of year to do detoxification, actually. And some people may wonder what exactly is a detoxification. In this case, it has some great, just a very small amount of supplements, some shakes, and it's really just designed to get the proper nutrients on board. When your body has the proper nutrients on board, and then we avoid just a few of the major inflammatory foods for a short time period, our body heals. Our body knows how to heal, and you end up decreasing inflammation, which increases your weight loss, helps make your skin improve. People usually report a greater sense of clarity, easier thinking, better mood. So kind of sounds too good to be true. Most people who undergo a cleanse or a detoxification process, though, feel so much better, and there's no better time of year. So big offer. It's only $45. We're literally on a spring cleaning sale, just trying to move them out and help you all out. So it's $197 normally. It's only $45 right now. So there's really no excuse to not come in and get it. And it's just while supplies last. Okay. Take care. Dr. Yoshi Ram with Oasis Family Medicine.